Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope you all are fine. Okay, let's start English task. Open a workbook and mention date and planner number 59 and 60. Today we will do two planners. In plan number 59, the task is up on textbook on page number 34 and 35, which is about learn to speak. Okay, let's start. Firstly, open your reading book. Here is the task. Learn to speak. Read the words aloud. Read it with me. Fly, sky, high, time, why, like, by, my, right, cry. Read it with me. Fly, sky, high, time, why, like, by, my, right, cry. Now read the phrases aloud. Fly high in the sky. Fly high in the sky. Ride a bike. Ride a bike. Like to cry. Like to cry. Now read the sentence aloud. Buy a white kite. Buy a white kite. Find a bike to ride. Find a bike to ride. In Learn to Speak, our question number 2 is work in pairs, ask and answer questions like this. There is example for you. Who is Hadi? One person is asking the question, who is Hadi? And the other one will answer, he is a student. If someone is asking about two persons, like who are Rahil and Slim, the answer will be they are students. They are students. Okay, students, you can do it at your home with your siblings and anyone that you want. Like, you will ask the question and they will answer, and if they ask question, you will answer like this. Now, let's start next planner. In next planner, our task is on workbook page number 19 and 20. Okay, let's open page number 19. Here is page number 19. Mention date and day on the top of the page. It is about red car. As we have discussed in reading, let's match the words with exact picture. There are some words I am read out with it for you. Horn, present, package, wheels, window. Now look at the picture and match it with correct word. Horn. Where are the horns? Yes, the a car contain horns. Match it with a number. Sorry, picture. Present. Present means a gift. Where is the gift? Yes, it is a gift. Match the word present with this picture. Third one is package. Package means a group of or a bundle. A group or a bundle of things. Here is a bundle of papers or anything, so it is a package. Wheel, like a round shape for a car to drive, to move. It is a wheel. And the last one is window. It is a window. Now let's do page number 20. It is also about red car. Complete the following words. TO-O. TOYO. It is Toyo, the red car. Toyo. Next one is LOU. Yes, D. Loud. WHELS. Yes, it is wheels. WHEELS. HANDSOME. Handsome. As the car was thinking about a person, Hadi, what a handsome boy. This one is handsome. Dash RESCENT. It is present. Like write a word, write a letter P. The word will become present. It is window. WINDOW. SHINY. Shiny. HORN. Horn. BIRTHDAY. Birthday. And PACKAGE. Package. Now make sentence of these words. First word is wheel. I have write a sentence for you. The car has four wheels. Read out it with me. The car has four wheels. You can make your sentence by your own. Window. Open the window, please. Open the window, please. Present. She gave me a birthday present. She gave me a birthday present. I have told you, you can make all these sentences by your own. Okay, students, at home, help your child. Or the task for your parents is help your child to listing all the words he or she can make by replacing s in say with other letters. Okay, students, do it by your own. And in read neat writing, take care of yourself. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.